talking about the eastern floods and just the community still reeling from that a year later. Now we're talking about the western half of the state and just the amount of rain. You said it's unbelievable down there, Sam.
It really is here, Brooke. You know, they picked up between 8 to 14 inches of rain, and this is just, you know, that's the amount of rain you normally pick up in about 2-3 months in the summertime. So we really saw a lot of it here. This was some areas of western Kentucky have picked up consecutively rainfall for the past 12 hours or so. All the counties in the area shaded in this blue color, that's actually a flash flood emergency. If you have friends or family in western Kentucky, it is very important that they are not driving, especially near roadways that are going to be completely covered in that water. You can see Doppler radar estimates just to the southwest of Paducah and mainly along I-69 rated between about a 10 to 14 inches of rainfall for the past 24 hours. So they have seen their fair share of rain. It's giving way to flooding. And this is the past 24 hours on radar. They dealt with storms, very heavy storms, just like what we saw yesterday here in Kentuckiana. A lot of lightning strikes being detected with all this energy available with the storm system. We've really quieted down though recently, which is good news. Of course, late last night and very early this morning, there's that batch of additional thunderstorms that our friends to the southwest picked up. We've been picking up mainly just heavy clouds throughout the day today, extended cloud cover. So luckily on current max HD radar, anywhere from southern Indiana towards central and southern Kentucky, we're all staying quiet for the time being. Our current downtown camera is displaying those clouds still sticking around. We're going to be watching max HD radar closely throughout the day today. Dew point almost at 70, so we have tropical air underway when it comes to the humidity, and temperatures are mainly about the 70s as we speak. If we do deal with any kind of breaks in the clouds today, like we're already dealing with in southern Indiana, our atmosphere is really going to get unstable quickly, and it'll give way to thunderstorms rapidly developing. So today is definitely a day to be staying weather aware, especially into later tonight. We're still going to be watching the risk of very heavy rainfall, some times of hail, and some damaging wind again with any storms that do get together. We do think, though, that tomorrow has a better chance for scattered to widespread thunderstorms than today. We're talking about wind gusts tomorrow between 60 to 70 miles an hour. We could be talking about hail up to about ping pong size, and flooding will be likely here with these storms that develop during the day tomorrow. This is the rest of our futurecast today. Maybe a couple of breaks in the clouds, and once that sun's out, other than an increased chance for a storm, it is going to get real hot out there. Temperatures may be pushing the upper 80s throughout the day today. Notice a couple of passing rain showers could be developing this evening, but the better focus for the potential for storms will be into the late night hours tonight, early tomorrow morning, and that potential will stick around all the way through the late morning hours tomorrow. There will likely be a complex of storms looking to race their way along 64, racing into Jefferson County, much of the Floyd-Clark County area of Indiana. These storms looking to make their way across Louisville and points east of us into the early afternoon. This is one of the updated computer model forecasts that's coming within the past hour, and you can see it's going to be affecting us through the early to mid-afternoon hours tomorrow, and there could be additional more storms developing tomorrow evening. So tomorrow is a day once again to be staying weather aware. Models are trying to depict between 1 to 3 inches of rain could be pocketed across southwestern areas of Kentuckiana, but we're going to finally quiet down this weekend, giving way to sunshine temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. So, Brooke, after we deal with the storms tomorrow, we're going to quiet down a lot more into the weekend, a much-deserved break, and of course our plants are really going to be enjoying, and all the flowers too, all that sunshine.